Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the sixth lecture related to class 9 physics, and in this lecture today we will study about the concept of sonic boom, and also we will learn about the race, or you say that the competition in between the speed of light and speed of sound. How the light appears first and sound appears later during lightning or thundering, and whenever a bullet fired from gun, then flash appears first and sound appears later, a little later. Then what is the concept between these terms we will discuss in details. So first, that is sonic boom. And just before explaining about sonic boom, you have to know about the concept of supersonic. Supersonic, a term which means that the speed of sound, whenever any object, or you say that any material body, whenever moving greater than the speed of sound, greater than the speed of sound, then the speed of that material or that object is said to be what? Supersonic speed. Supersonic speed. The term which represents the speed of an object material greater than the speed of sound. Greater than the speed of sound. Clear? And speed of sound, very easy, that is 344 meter per second. Concept of speed of sound, very easy concept, 344 meter per second. In some book, at different temperature the value will be what? I think either 340 or 342, no matter. Here about you can use the value 344 meter per second. And speed means what? That is the distance traveled by sound when the sound is produced, and that sound whenever heard by anyone, then the distance covered by sound wave from the point of production and up to the distance where the observer is standing. So supersonic concept, very easy. Listen again. The term supersonic, which represents the speed of an object, I will say that material body, speed of an object or material's body greater than the speed of sound. If any body moving with speed greater than the speed of sound, then we can say that there is a concept of supersonic speed. Supersonic speed. And supersonic speed, whenever any object moving with supersonic speed, then the waves having a explosive nature, the explosive waves, this concept of sonic boom, see the explosive wave produced by supersonic speed of an object. Supersonic speed of an object is defined as sonic boom is defined as sonic boom. Clear? The concept of sonic boom very easy. When any object or material body moving with supersonic speed, then the waves produced by the movement of that body or that material object, that is called what? Sonic boom. And such type of waves can be heard, or we can say that observed, in the movement of fighting aircrafts, because the fighting aircraft speed, I think, nearly twice the speed of sound, because speed of sound 344 meter per second, and their speed will be what? Nearly 700 something meter per second. And when the fighting aircraft moving with that speed in air, then they producing what? Supersonic waves. And when they comes in contact with window panes of glass material, then glass material will broken. Clear? Why broken? Due to this explosive nature, the glass material will break. Clear? So note down all terms. After this we will discuss the concept of race between speed of light and sound. Clear? Just note down. You see, after the explanation about sonic boom or supersonic speed, the next one concept is what? The race between sound and light. Here the concept of race means what? The comparison of speed of sound and light. As we know, the speed of sound that is equal to what? 344 meter per second, nearly, or you say that near about value. And speed of light that is equal to what? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Clear? This value, that is speed of light, is too much greater than the speed of sound. This is the reason, only one, this fact is applicable whenever the question asking about why the light appears first and sound appears later during thunderstorm. And thunderstorm is what? Lightning and producing sound or production of sound, both are going on. And when the lightning appears, then along with lightning, same time sound also produced, but sound reaches to us a little later, or to say that somewhat amount time after. Why? This is the reason, because the speed of light is what? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, or we say that 3 lakh kilometer per second in short term. That is speed of light either 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or 3 lakh kilometer per second. So whenever the bullet fired from gun, then why the flash appears first and the sound appears little later? The same concept is here, because the speed of light is greater. Flash means what? That is light, then the speed of sound, and that's why the sound appears later, just after reaching the light. Clear? So very easy. In this way we can also explain why we observe first by hitting the batsman. When a ball is hitting by a batsman, then we observe first and then sound appears little later. The same concept is here. We are observing means what? That we are using the concept of light, and light means what? That is the speed greater than the sound speed. We can observe the light instantly. I will say that suddenly. I will say that quickly. But the sound that is produced by hitting the ball by the batsman, that appears little later. So the concept of rays, I think, will be clear. How the light appears first and then sound appears later. In case of when both are producing at the same time, then sound reaches to us little later as comparison to light. The reason behind this, what? Only one, the speed of sound is less than the speed of light, and both speed here written. You can explain with the help of writing this value. If any confusion further, then you can ask. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.